How do you redefine an icon? Push harder. Dig deeper. You go above and beyond. You capture its very essence. Then, you reimagine it. You design, engineer, and build it without compromise. Until you've created a vehicle that's absolutely of the moment. Introducing Land Rover Defender, capable of great things. With a reassuringly recognizable silhouette, compelling proportions, and a go-anywhere, do-anything attitude. Everything about this vehicle exudes quiet confidence. You can choose between having either a 90 or 110 body design. Both are world-class experts, off and on-road. The characterful design of the LED headlights provides undoubted modernity. Solid shoulders and powerful squared-off wheel arches communicate the vehicle's purposeful stance. Its unique monocoque architecture helps to create a vehicle that doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Short overhangs, great ground clearance, and upright front and rear elevations give credence to the vehicle's capabilities. The side-opening tailgate with externally mounted full-size spare wheel points to Defender's distinctive nature. And bathing the cabin with natural light, the optional sliding panoramic roof provides a spacious feel to the interior. Or on the 90, choose the folding fabric roof, which lets you truly feel part of your surroundings. The Alpine lights, a nod to the original Defender, flood the cabin with more light and provide a view to the outside. Defender's interior is every millimeter as contemporary as its exterior. Exposed structural surfaces, including the cross-car beam, are finished in a highly durable textured powder coat and are available in a variety of colors. Choose between a cabin walkthrough or a front jump seat. Or select a front center console, with or without a refrigerator. You also have a choice of 5 or 6 seats in the 90, or up to 7 in the 110. Ensuring the space can be configured any number of ways, including yours. Functional load space capacity and clever stowage provides ample room for all of your gear. In the second row, there's also plenty of legroom to provide even more comfort. And with 2 body designs, 4 accessory packs, and 6 models to choose from, it's the ultimate personalization. Capable of great things, this is Land Rover Defender. It couldn't be anything else.